Good job, Leonidas. Cup.
Thank you.
Cup. He's helping Daddy with dishes. Cup.
Yeah, can I have the cup, please?
He's putting in his mouth.
You should drink out of them all. Bring to Daddy.
Yeah.
Please. Thank you.
Good job, Leo. What else is up there? Bowl.
Oh, can you hand me the bowl, please? The bowl. Can you
Bowl.
hand it to me?
Give to Daddy.
Thank
Thank you.
Right. The lid. Cool, thank you. We'll put these up above here in a
Good
bit.
job, Leo. He's all in the bottom. Awesome. You guys got the bottom part already out? Yay. Wow, you got a bowl. Give to Daddy.
Bowl. Oh, thank you.
Whoa. Good job. Got another bowl? No, you got another bowl.
Got it?
Good job.
Good job. Can I have the bowl, please?
Come bring to Daddy. Bring it to Daddy.
Thank you.
Good boy, Leo. Молодец. Cup. Can you say cup?
Cup. Oh, thank you.
Awesome. Oh, he wants to drink all the cups. Yay. Is there more there? More? Can you reach it? Oh, good.
Thank you. Apple thingy.
Apple. Oh, there's a glass in there.
Thank you.
I always do the glass ones myself.
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
And one more. Last one. Oh, maybe not. One more.
Thank you.
Take that one out, and you'll be all done.
Can you reach it? Can you get it?
Almost.
Right in the middle.
Yay!
Good job.
As he
big
falls
boy.
over.
Big
Awesome.
boy, thank you.
You helping with dishes. Such a good boy. Close it. Can you close it?
Can I close it?
That's how you open it. Close. Push it in. Push, push. Yep. Push the top one. Yep. Close the dishwasher. Yep. 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 You keep this closed, and now you. Yep. Pick it up. Push, push. Oh, basket.
Close it?
Close it.
Go ahead and close it.
Lift it.
Come on, this thingy.
Here, lift it.
Lift it up.
Lift, lift,
Lift it up.
lift.
Ooh.
Push.
Ooh.